The moment a door is specified as wind rated, it stops being just a door. It becomes a tested opening assembly. A wind rating doesn't apply to the door itself. It applies to the complete opening assembly that has been tested and approved to perform together. That includes the door, the frame, the hardware, the anchoring method, and the entire way the system is installed.
Because the rating applies to the complete assembly, every component has to align with the tested system. The frame cannot be selected independently of the door. The hardware has to be compatible with the approval, and the anchoring requirements have to match the tested configuration. The performance of the opening depends on the assembly working as the complete system.
Most projects already establish those requirements in the construction documents. Design pressures, required performance ratings, and approved opening types are typically identified before the process even starts. The point of specifications is to make sure the opening is being ordered to match those project requirements.
Once those requirements are established, coordination becomes the focus. The selected door series, frame, hardware, glazing, and anchoring all have to correspond to the same tested assembly. A wind-rated opening isn't built by combining individually rated components. It has to follow the approved system that it was tested as.
That's why reviewing approvals and manufacturer documentation is part of the specification process. The documents identify which components were tested together and the condition under which the opening achieved its ratings. They provide the reference for configuring the complete assembly.
See, and like this is your section. This is
And then I'm done?
with that video.
Oh, okay. The procurement process is really about maintaining that coordination. As the opening moves from drawing to submittals and ultimately into production, every component needs to remain consistent with the approved assembly. The goal isn't to simply order a wind-rated door. It's to order the complete opening the project requires.
And that's the approach we take at CDF. We help contractors translate wind-rated specifications into complete opening assemblies by coordinating the door, the frame, hardware, and supporting documentation as one system. ProBuilder also helps configure those opening requirements before the order is placed.
At CDF, we help contractors translate wind-rated specifications into complete, coordinated opening assemblies so procurement moves forward with confidence.